Alright, hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I will be teaching you a short lesson on how to create a thesis statement. Now, first of all, I just want to know, what do you know about thesis statements? Yes?
I know that it states your opinion, your statement.
Right, it does give your opinion, and also you make a claim, right? That's the exact case. So the way I like to see it, right, is as if I'm a train driver, right? So a train driver basically, controls the rest of the train, what direction the train is going, right? So in this case, when it comes to writing, you are the person who's going to direct your essay and who's going to control your thesis, right? So a train is composed of several wagons, right? And in the same case, it's with a thesis statement, where in writing, a thesis is composed of several parts. More specifically, points, right? 3 points that you make in order to substantiate your claim. So now we're going to look at this handout that I provided y'all. So Caroline, can you please read off the top definition of a thesis statement?
A thesis statement is one or two more sentences which express the meaning of your paper.
Right. So a thesis statement is one or two sentences which expresses the meaning of your paper. So well, what does it do? You ask yourself, what does it do? Why does it have to be incorporated in my essay or in your paper? Can you please read why a thesis statement? Like, what does it do? Right. There's 2 points below the definition. Can you read all those, please?
Number 1 provides author with a direction to write his or her paper, and second, provides the reader with an idea as to what the paper will be about.
Right, so you want your, you want the reader to know what you're talking about and where is this essay going, right? You can't just simplify it, just simply, introduce a topic without having a claim, without taking a side, right? So there's 4 steps. Can you read out those 4 steps at the bottom, please, in order to create a thesis statement?
Write a claim, your opinion on the topic, 3 reasons to support your claim, 1 reason to oppose your declaration, and a thesis statement for each.
Right, those are 4 simple steps you can follow in order to create a thesis. Very simple, right? Very simple. Some things I would avoid is, for example, using phrases like, in my opinion, or it seems, I think. Yes, I mean, you are, stating your opinion, you are making a claim, but you want the reader to engage in a very intellectual, reading, right? And that's what you want. You want to start off, for example, in this case, yes, it is preferable for students to have a curfew when it comes to having a good night rest, right? And being ready for school the next day. So now we can go ahead and read off the exemplar right here at the bottom. So for the topic question, it's should high school students have a curfew, right? So that's the topic question. That's the first step you want to do. You want to read off what the topic question is before you even take a side or a claim. And also you have to consider the other side and consider which point can you argue the best. You won't be let me argue for the opposite of this and not know much about it, right? You need to be cognizant about what is your strong side, right? So first step, like we mentioned, it is a declaration or opinion on the topic. And in this case, should high school students have a curfew? If you take a side, well, yes, yes or no. High school students should have an enforced curfew in this case, right? It's hypothetical, right? So that's your claim. That's your claim. And now you want 3 reasons to support your opinion. You always want to give 3 reasons to substantiate what is your claim, what is your opinion. For example, let's read off. Let's see. Students are less likely to get in trouble if they are home. That's 1 reason. Students need to rest for school. That's the 2nd reason. Or the 3rd reason, being behind the wheel of a vehicle during the early morning hours increases their chances of accidents. So those are 3 points that you want to consider when it comes to substantiating your claim. Now, to finish off, you need to consider the other side, right? Like I mentioned, you consider the other side to create a concession, or to just consider the other side, like I said. Overall, you just need to combine those 3 steps and basically create a thesis statement with those 3 steps. Those 3 easy steps are gonna help you get to the 4th step, which is combine those 3 steps and just create a final thesis statement for your paper that will lead your paper. Now to finish off, I just want to leave y'all with a chant, right? And this chant is basically going to help you remember how to create a thesis statement whenever it comes to writing a paper, or one of those essays that you have to write in class. So I'm going to repeat it first, and then you repeat after me, okay? So when you're writing a thesis, keep it simple and clear. If you're lost and confused, don't fear. Give it a fight by taking a side. Give your 3 points, but keep it light. So can you repeat after me?
When you're
When you're writing a thesis,
When you're writing a thesis.
When you're writing a thesis,
keep it simple and clear.
Keep it simple and clear.
If you're lost and confused,
And if you're lost and confused,
don't fear.
don't fear.
Give it a fight
Give it a fight.
by taking a side.
By taking a side.
Give your 3 points,
Give your 3 points.
but keep it light.
But keep it light.
Like,